Hello, God bless you. Thanks for tuning in to Previous Word. I have a very beautiful review for you guys today. And our review is on our anti-aging serum. Our anti-aging serum for face, our facial and neck anti-aging serum. If you are a lover of natural products, you know what I'm talking about. And if you are not a lover of natural product, I'm introducing you to it today. Okay guys, so I will show you guys my beautiful anti-aging serum. You can also see the picture at the background, okay, for a better view, for a better understand what I'm trying to show you guys. Okay, so guys, I just want to show explain how to use this facial serum. So I just make a very short video on how to apply it on your face. First, you have to make your face clean. After cleaning your face, allow it to dry. You check our serum, because you know why it's good to shake. You know, when you finish using it in the morning or in the night, you keep it like this. No, you keep it like this in your cupboard or in your dressing table or in your bedroom, anywhere you keep your facial products or your creams. So you keep it like this. So after keeping like this, it settles, it goes and settles. So you not checking it, you're not enjoying the more benefit it has, because some of it will go and settle down. And what you do, you just take and bring this out. No. So what you do first is you shake very well. You shake very well before you use. Not that much, just a little, you know. Then you bring it. You press. You see this little tube in the up. You have to press it so that you can take the serum inside, the liquid. You can be able to bring out from it. So you take out by pressing in the one pressing it now. You see it. I've bring out a lot. You see it. I've been able to bring out a lot. You see. So now what I do is put a drop here. And then you can see it is going down. Put another drop here. And you put another drop here. And so this is it. Then what do? You start to massage. Little. You see it? You start to massage. You see it? After massaging, you see it goes dropping down to your jaws. Go like this way. See it? After using this first face like this, you go back. You take another one. If you are the type that have eye bags, because a lot of people have eye bags, you know, with the way this can help you to straighten the smiling marks, lines. Do it help you to remove this squeezing eye, cat eyes, the way they call it. It will also help you to remove these eye bags. A lot of people have it, and they are so beautiful, but it now becomes something that disfigures them. So if you know these eye bags are spoiling your face, you know what you do. Get this product, or get a beautiful a natural anti-aging serum in your nearby shop, and you place it the second time now under your eyes and under your eyes. So this is what you will be using. You see it, just the way I'm doing it right now, like this, like this, like this. You see it. Then you bring this to the fine lines. You see it, because these fine lines, no one can escape it, because you smile every day, except you don't know how to smile. If you don't know how to smile, you must smile. You must see what will make you to smile this 2024, so that your fine lines will come out. As it come out, you come to get our anti-aging serum. It will help you to balance your face for you, to make your face to fit for you, to look fit and beautiful for you. So guys, you see it, you see it, you see it. So you can even go forward and doing more massage on your face like this, you know, like this, they are this. Your eyes, you know, like this way. More massage on your face, more massage on your jaw, like this, like this. You don't have to smile, this will help. Like this will help. You see it. So that's it. Thank you very much. I will be dropping the link of this our facial beautiful anti-aging serum on our description box below, so you can click it and it will take you direct to our website and you place your order. Thank you all. God bless you. Don't forget to share this video. Thanks for the good works you are doing in this channel, and like, comment, and see you all in our next video. Bye. I love you all, but don't forget, God loves you most.